Hello, we're at Star Manufacturing in St. Louis, where Steve Greenberg is going to walk us through the Ultramax line for Star.
All right, we talked about this a little bit today. This is the Star Ultramax line. This is our high-end, heavy-duty, high-production version of our Cookline. Some of the things that set this apart from Star Max and from Toastmaster are, in terms of the griddle, a couple of things. First of all, we have a 1-inch thick griddle plate. In addition, all of the thermostats in a thermostatic or snap action unit are embedded within the griddle plate 3/16 of an inch from the cooking surface, so we get very, very concise, even temperatures. You'll also notice that the griddle plate is fully welded, but it's fully welded at the bottom, which is unlike some of our other manufacturers that are out there. The downside to putting a weld up at the top is that the side splashes act as a heat fin, and they'll pull a lot of the heat out. You'll get very uneven temperatures. By having the weld at the bottom, we maintain even temperatures right to left. All of these units, all of the Ultramax units are designed with this type of interior where everything is sort of angled in, as you can see. So all of the heat is directed back up and out through the cooking surface, and we minimize the amount of heat that's lost out through the bottom and the sides. On the charbroiler, we have heavy-duty cast iron grates. We offer, on the radiant style, a structural steel radiant as opposed to a cast iron or stainless radiant. This is warranted for 3 years. It will not fail. The burners are 20,000 BTUs each, and we also have a fully waterproof water pan. We do recommend that the operator puts water in here to keep the charbroiler running flawlessly for years to come. Lastly, we have the open burner ranges that come in a number of sizes. The key feature of the ranges, they're 30,000 BTU burners, but because of the mushroom shape of this burner, it minimizes the amount of product that could potentially drip and block the holes on the burner itself. So that's a quick overview of the Ultramax equipment.
Probably should also mention that all the front rails are all cool to the touch front rails.
Yes. That's a great point, Wyman. Thank you for reminding me. What sets us apart from every other manufacturer is that no matter how hot the unit gets, this front edge stays relatively cool to the touch. It gets warm, but you can still put your hand on there. Chefs dislike when it gets too hot because they burn themselves on the front, or more likely they put their utensils on the front, the utensils get hot and they burn themselves when they grab the utensils. So this design feature really makes the unit a pleasure to work with.
Great, thank you. And that's Ultramax by Star.